Is it on? Damn. Okay. See if I'm gonna do this right. Can you see me? Hi. I don't see you, but you can see me. And here, I'm just gonna talk to you while I make my stuff. My hair. Well, I do my hair, not making anything. Well, I am. I'm making myself look better. I gotta brush my hair. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Yes, it is. I just took a shower, guys. Just now. And my hair is still wet. It's wet. Okay. Anyway. Gotta do my makeup, gotta do my hair. Okay. Where's my clip? See my clip anywhere? Oh, right here. Am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm doing this right. I know what to do. Does it look bad? I think it looks bad. Well, damn. I'm doing my hair. And it looks like crap. Okay. Anyways, this is a girl named Ashley Spalti. She puts her hair all up weird. Like, not weird, but it looks weird when she does it. She'll like pull it up in a bun, and like come over here and flop out. And she has like the ends and everything all blonde, so it looks like God literally took a heavenly crap on her head. And I told her that, and everyone's like, well, that was mean. I'm speaking the truth. Sometimes the truth hurts. Just like how I'm ugly and my hair doesn't want to work with me today. Anyway, I could deal with it. Put my hair. Good. Good. Now go do my makeup. Girl, my makeup. Fixed under crap. I didn't sleep at all last night, so I'm all like, boop. You all know what happens when I go boop. Everything happens, and so. Ew. Anyways, my stuff. It's my stuff. It be my makeup. I'll be damned. But gotta put on the makeup. Gotta put on. Ow. It broke my eye. I can't believe it just did that. Can you believe it just did that? Ow. Son of a butter biscuit. That sounds sexual. Never mind. Oh. This is sensitive eyeball. Gotta apply gently. See? Oh my god, I'm crying. See? Not that you guys would be that close. Yeah. Go put on the mascara. Damn it. So I look all nice and pretty for church. live free and die young. So yeah. That's embarrassing. Okay. I'm going to do the other eyebrow since this is pretty. Looking nice. Oh, I. Okay. So, I look pretty, right? Wanna see what's up on my eyeball? Hi, pretty. Bye for now.